Hi everyone, it's Mr. Vesda, and I'm back with our first letter of the day video for this week. So if we think back to last week, we did the letters A, B, C, D, and E. So if you are watching this video, that means your next letter to learn is the letter F. Okay, so we're going to take a look at our uppercase F, capital F, and our lowercase f. Okay, so this is going to be our letter of the day today. So let's focus in. Let's talk about our capital F, lowercase f. We'll talk about the sounds that they make, some words that start with the letter F, and we're going to practice making and writing some Fs on our own. Okay, it's kind of the same process as last week for each letter. I know you're going to do a great job, so just stay focused with me and let's see how we do. So, the first thing I want to do is take a look at some words that start with the letter F. Okay, and that's when we'll talk about the sound. Okay, so here you can see our capital F and our lowercase f. And anytime we see the letter F in a word, the sound we're going to make is. Now notice you do not use your voice at all to make this sound for the letter F. All you use is your breath. So try making that sound. Can you say, good job. Now let's take a look at some words and listen for the sound at the beginning. Okay, our first word is the word farmer. Farmer. Can you say farmer? And at the beginning of the word farmer, you hear the sound for the letter F. Let's keep going. Next we have feather. Say feather. Good. Once again, we have the sound for F at the beginning. Here we have a fence. Go ahead and say fence. Good. Make sure you're listening for that F sound at the beginning of all these words. Here we have fireworks. Good. Fireworks. Say fireworks. And if you can think about our warm-up that we've been doing at school, fireworks is a compound word. We take fire, works, and put them together and get fireworks. Here's another compound word. Say fishbowl. Okay, fishbowl starts with our f sound, and it's also a compound word. Fish, bowl, fishbowl. Here's a flag. Can you say flag? Good. Ooh, here we have a flamingo. Try saying that word, flamingo. Nice job. Here we have two words for this picture. There's a space in between that both start with F. Say flip-flops. Good, the word flip and the word flops both start with the letter F and the sound. And here we have a flower. Go ahead, say flower. And football. Oh, it's another compound word. Football, football. Football starts with F. And here we have friends. Say friends. Good. And we also have a frog. Now, here's our entire list. All the words we just looked at that start with the letter F and the sound F. Let's say them one more time. So I'll say them and then you can say them back to me. Okay, let's start at the beginnings with farmer, feather, fence, fireworks, fishbowl, flag, flamingo, flip-flops, flower, football, friends, and frog. All of these words start with our letter of the day, which is the letter F. It doesn't matter if it's capital F or lowercase f. That letter F is going to make the sound. Okay, so we took a look at how capital F and lowercase f look. We took a look at 12 words that start with the letter F and the sound. Now we're going to go over to the big board, and I'm going to show you how we practice making capital F and lowercase f. And you can do this on your own too. All right, we're at the big board now, and we're going to talk about how we write our capital F and our lowercase f. Okay, we're going to start with our capital F. So just like our letter E, when we make a capital F, I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to make a straight line down. Okay, notice I pick my marker up. After I pick that marker up, I'm going to go back to the top. I'm going to make a straight line across, and then I'm going to go to the middle and make another straight line across to make my capital F. Okay. Now notice our capital F is kind of like our capital E without the line at the bottom. So we just have our line at the top and the line in the middle. Let me make one more for you. I'm going to go straight down, pick up, across, and across. Right? I'll do one more a little bit faster. Straight down, pick up, across the top, across the middle, and I have my capital F. Okay? Now let's talk about lowercase f. Lowercase f looks a lot like the capital F, but it's a little different too. Now, we've been talking about this at school, and lowercase f is one of our tall lowercase letters. So it is going to touch the top and bottom when you do it on your paper. Just watch me make the shape of the letter. I'm going to start at the top, and I make a little hook around and down. You see that shape? It's a little hook around and down. Then I'm going to go in the middle, and I'm going to make one line across to finish my lowercase f. So it's a hook down to the bottom and a line across the middle. Okay? Watch me make one more. There's my hook. Almost looks like a candy cane. And then I put a line across the middle. I'm going to do the third one a little faster so you can see how you should write it on your paper. Hook around and down like a candy cane, line across the middle. There's our lowercase f. Okay? So capital, lowercase. Please do your best when you're practicing these on your own. And remember that our letter F makes the sound. Okay, everyone, good luck. I hope you do a great job practicing with your letter of the day, which is